Hey people, so I know you see the fan is really hot as it's always been the last few videos, but I'm doing this makeup look with things from this month's June BoxyCharm, and I'm using this palette, Alamar Cosmetics, and this is the palette. It's very beautiful, very like tropical, but jumping straight into the look, I'm gonna jump in with this color. I don't know how to explain it. This one, that one. So I'm gonna jump into that with a fluffy brush. I'm gonna just put that all in the upper. Ooh, pick. Oh, all in the upper crease. Um, okay, this is pretty. So I will say, something I noticed about this palette is that these four shimmer colors on top and these ones down here, they look more matte. They actually These four have like a water drop biome, and these ones have a sun biome, which I'm guessing that means you can use these ones wet and these ones keep them dry, basically. Because look at those shimmers. Look beautiful. So I'll just blend this all in the upper crease. So as you can see, which I'm about to show you, you can do a full look with this palette. But it could use a mirror. Could use that. But next I'm going with this orange shade. It's like a reddish orange tropic that color on a different blending brush. Slightly lower in the crease so you can still see that red peeking through, but you can also see the orange above the lid. Which I have hooded lids, so I have to be like careful with that, especially if I want the color seen when I put a lid color. So I'm blending that up there, still making sure the red peeks up over it. Beautiful. It's very, very pretty actually, and these colors blend very well. Alright, so I just cut the lids with a little bit of a light concealer. And now I'm going in with this pointed brush, this angled pointed brush. It's clean, it just don't look clean. But now I'm going in with this orange shade, Copa Cop, right there, just right there. So I'm gonna take that. Let's try it. Not wet first. Let's try it dry. Just pack that on top of this concealer. See how that go. Um, y'all see it? I don't know if it's the concealer and my skin tone, or or if it's not showing up. Wait, no, there it is. I think. Wait, do you see? Okay, it just takes a little bit of layering, I feel, but that's also probably because I just put the concealer down. So just tap right over that with this orange shade. Alright, so this color and this color over here, the two I use, one I use in the lid and the lower crease, those two have like the slightest bit of shimmer in them. Like you can barely even see it. They basically look matte. But next I'm going in with Cafeteria, this brown color. And I'm gonna take that on an even smaller. I will say these are pretty dusty, as you can like. I don't even know if you can see it, but like the fallout is real. But they're pretty dusty, but they blend out really well on the lid and they pack really well. So I'm taking that color on a smaller blending brush. And I'm gonna put that on this outer edge right here. I hope it's not that dark because I'm not trying to take this look in a dark direction. I'm gonna just blend that into this outer edge and out towards the brow a little bit. That's all right. And I'm gonna work on blending that into the upper reds and oranges up here. It looks really red on camera, but it's not in person. I promise. It's kind of brown. Alright. So after I finish the other eye off camera, I'm going to apply black wing liner, and I'm also going to apply these lashes from Brightington. That's not what that says. Battington, Battington lashes, and they're just like a little natural pair, a little normal pair. They're real cute though, like cute. So the lashes are on. They're very, very, very pretty. Like they are really subtle for what I wanted for this look, but they're very pretty. So, as you all know, if you know me well enough, I hate working with new lashes because they take me so long to put on. Because they always cause me. Ooh, they always cause me all types. Oh God, I cannot get this sentence out. All types of trouble. But next, I'm going in for my lower lash line. I'm going in with this one. This one right here, the one we put in the upper crease, on this little flat brush, and we're going to put that on the lower lash line. That right here. And I'm also going to put a little bit of that. I'm going to mix these two oranges together just lightly. And I'm going to put that right a little bit lower than that, just to blend out the edge. So it's not as dark as what I see here. Don't poke yourself in the eye. And that's that eye. All I gotta do is I'm gonna put a brown liner in the waterline and put on mascara. I'll be right back. So we're almost done with this look. I really like how it turned out so far, but I'm going in with this Opal blush. I don't know the name because it did not tell me on the package or on the back, but I'm going in with that for my blush. It's just, if I can get it on this brush, a little bit more. But I'm going in with that. Oh my God, this is a beautiful blush. Oh my, that's beautiful. Can you tell the difference? That's very pretty. I really like this color because I like very light neutral blushes other than like pink out, which still is pretty light for me. But oh my God, it's so pretty. This is gonna be my number one blush other than like pink out, which is really the only one I use because I love it so much. Like, of course I have other blushes, but nothing can go against pink out because it just goes with everything. I'm gonna put some up here, down here, just to balance out color a little bit. Almost last thing, I'm gonna wet this pointed brush because you know I cannot forget my inner corner. Just my favorite part, I'm sorry. So, I'm taking La Costa, which is this pinkish, goldish undertone color right here. Because in my picture I posted on Instagram, it looks gold, but here it kind of looks pink with some undertones of gold. So I'm going to put that right here. Where is that? Do y'all see it? Where is that? It's not bright enough. Okay, so we're gonna go in. Just come on. That's a little bit more like it. Just a little bit more like it, because y'all know I love a blinding inner corner. So since I feel like it's struggling, probably on the lid is really pretty, but for this inner corner it's not bright enough for me, so it's struggling. So we just gonna go in on the other one too. Ooh, that's, reshape that a little bit. That one's a little bit more like it, I feel. What I'm looking for. Look at that. There we go. That's what I've been waiting for. So, last thing last is I'm going in with this blush and this Luxie Taper Highlighter brush. It's the 222. I'm going with Opal right here. That's good enough. I'm going to like my niece's graduation today, and so I'm not trying to blind everyone. I'm just trying to be bright enough. Okay, y'all know I like a glowing Cupid's bow too. But last things last, for real this time. Last things last. I'm going in with this lip color from Opal. It's called Verona. All I just have to do is because I like to put chapstick on when I first start my makeup, so my lips are moisturized for when I put on a liquid lipstick. So it's called Verona. It's this new color here. It's very similar to what is this? Well, this is also by Opal. It lost the name, but I felt like it was really similar to it until I put them side by side. And this one's more purpley. This one's more like nude. So I'm putting this on my lips. Hold on. I'll be right back. Alright, so I ended up putting on this lip color by Adesse, New York. And there's no shade on here, but I'll find out and put it for you. And the other one was just a little bit too nude for what I wanted for this look, but this is your final look. I hope you enjoy it. I'm Faced by Trevi, and I hope you subscribe because we're almost at 200. We need 11 more people. And all the products I use in this video are linked down below, as well as my social media. And I hope you watch some of my other videos. Click my face to subscribe, and the other videos are here. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.